Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you will fix so you do not waste time. Make a backup, then open View and enable Explorer and Properties. This lets you find lighting fast. Select Lighting and change the rendering technology to Shadow Map or Future. This improves shadows and realism. Once done, set brightness and ambient low to avoid blown-out highlights, because dialing these in now prevents rework later. Make quick saves as you adjust. Next, you focus on the detailed settings that define look and feel. Set time of day and clock time to place sun where you want it, and tweak geographic latitude for angle accuracy. Then adjust outdoor ambient and ambient to balance midtones, enable global shadows, and refine shadow softness and contact shadows so edges read correctly. Use a custom skybox, add bloom and color correction to shape color, and adjust exposure compensation so highlights and blacks retain detail. Test at different times, finish by optimizing and checking performance so the lighting you set is stable and playable. If your scene is mostly static, bake or snapshot lighting, which lowers runtime cost. Profile with microprofiler to find heavy costs, and reduce expensive features like large soft shadows, high-intensity bloom, or complex skyboxes if frame rate drops. If you see artifacts, reset the lighting properties to defaults and reapply settings one section at a time. This isolates the cause, so you can fix the specific option that broke the look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.